Talaga? Kaya, kang gaganyan dyan.
What? Oh no! Alan! There's another plane I have a topic on. You see those holes? Yeah. Oh no. Water's going over them. And go to the second. There's another hole. And escape down! Like buses!
Shit!
Swim to the big board.
There's a cruiser.
Alan, it's this side. That one's locked. You have to go to this side.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alden!
Why do they have a bridge in the ship?
Because it leads to an area.
Well, I guess it's not needless.
Areas are separated.
I'm gonna check what's up deck.
Okay, we're great.
Ganda ng langit.
Think we're thinking though.
I have a
Warning, warning. This bird's about to slip. Warning, warning. Why was it not on? How was it about to slip? Warning, warning.
Wait, look at the bottom. It's filled with water.
No, there's water right here. And once you go down, hold your breath.
Aso.
Oh no, it's about to sink. Run. No, Alan. Wrong way, we're back. Oh, I know, I said we're back. I thought At least there's a tool. Wait, they left the note.
Diyan, oh. Why don't you do that? Do it. It's a joke. It doesn't mean only children can play. It's all of the above. Being fit and healthy. Why don't you? Being lazy and weak. Try that. Try it. Stop being lazy and greedy. That's the exercise for you. Do it. Look at that. Just someone there. His exercise only walking. Don't like to do anything, any kind of exercise. So lazy. He just want to walk and walk and walk and walk. That's only one of the exercise, but can you do that? Do it. Be fit. Be healthy. Be young. Do it.
Oh, if I'm young, I'll travel somewhere hot.
Haha. Travel something hot. You travel where?
Somewhere hot
Somewhere hot.
with a warm beach.
With a warm beach. I know that. It's only Thailand. That's all. Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
Oh yeah. The only country that you want to go. Whereas in the Philippines, there's also so many beaches there. Nice beaches and warm.
Basura. Basura Beach.
Basura Beach. It's not Basura now. The 30 has already cleaned the Baraka, you know. All the Basura there wasn't there anymore. It's already clean. So there is no Basura in Philippines anymore. Unlike here, so many Basura. So many poops.
Oh, you love,
Kadiri.
you love the beach.
Oh, you love that? I don't think so.
Right?
Yeah. It's yours. Dogs who like you. It's dogs. Dogs everywhere. Because somebody don't bring plastic to pick their dog poops. I need to stop that. Come on, do it yourself. You can do it, my goodness. Be fit and be healthy and be macho. You're macho. Macho, you know that, my goodness. I love that. Macho, macho. All my exes was macho. Look at you. Walk, sit, lie. Lying down, sit, and walk. That's all. Eat, being greedy. Goodness. Look who's talking. Go exercise yourself.
What's your exercise?
This is not only for the children, my goodness. You can do basketball there too. Badminton. Look at that. He's not a child, but he's doing exercise there. Just to be fit and healthy and sexy body. Man, macho, macho. Come on, do it. You can do it, young man. No. Useless. Too lazy.
Lazy is your middle name.
Excuse me, Jera is a Spanish name. Which is your favorite? Your favorite Spanish? My God. My surname is very unique. Very rich. Jera. You know Sierra Madre? In the Philippines? That's all mine. It's the mountain. Sector. Charot. And then all the Sierras came from Spain. Spanish. How about that? Riches than you, John. Because my grandfather is a famous lawyer in Legazpi City. A famous lawyer in Bicol region. That's my middle name. Middle name, hindi pala middle name. That's my last name when I was young. I mean, when I was single. I was wrong. Okay, my middle name is Climacco, which is came from my handsome grandfather. Hindi pala ano. But Shira is the rich, what's that? Richest than Harris. How about that? Ano pala? Come on, you can do it. Oh my God. I'm already asking him for 1 hour. But still sitting in there.
Who spends 6 days a week sitting in bed?
I don't think so. We're out every day. So who's you're talking about? Remember? We're not in the house all the
You
time.
lazy son.
We're outside all the time. Most of the time we're out
Putting
of the house, walking around everywhere. Because you can't drive, I can't drive, so we cannot buy a car that we can drive. So all we need to do is to walk and walk and walk everywhere. Walk from here, walk there,
Actually,
walk.
it's cheaper to walk.
It's cheaper to walk.
Hey, my boat! Wait, we're in the forest.
And exercise too.
This is the entrance to the forest.
And besides,
Alan, we're in the forest. For real.
di mo kailangan bumili. No need to buy a car because if you cannot use the car, because we both don't know how to drive now. John cannot drive. Too scary, right?
I'm going back there. It's only morning.
Wasn't sick before, he can drive. But because he was sick before, and until now, because he's too lazy to exercise,
Just tell them to us. Now we're stuck in this big forest.
all he wants is to walk.
Wait, Alan. We got a badge. It's called.
Apparently you think sitting is better exercise.
It's a sitting again, but I don't know how to sit anyway. Look at that. Every time we go out, I don't see it unless we eat.
Chapter 3. What do you think? Do you think there's a chapter 3? Yeah. Okay. Alan, chapter 1 is completed. Chapter 1 was the bird. Now chapter 2 is the forest.
I'd like to ask a question.
Yeah.
How is the sun gonna attack us?
Or they can't attack us anymore.
It's a nice view, guys.
This time there's creatures.
The sky is blue
Sure there's no.
with lots of
Or it's
clouds. It's like a cloud.
Unlike the Philippines,
It's the clouds.
the sky is dirty.
What do you mean? We're in Camellia, so that's the spot you see only. But the sunrise is there also. You can see it, how beautiful it is, right?
Not as beautiful as here.
I don't think so. There's a part of the
That's
Philippines
totally
that there's is a
different.
nice view. You can go to the Manila Bay. Then there's
After
a...
Sorobag.
It's not Basura now, it's before. But when the 30s was a president, he cleansed everything. The Pasig River, the Manila Bay, the Boracay Beach. It's all clean now. No more Basura, you know? But maybe now, I don't know, because, you know, different administration, different policy. Yan. What? Uwi. Okay, let's go home. Look at that. Ay, wait. Ngayon lang lumabas yung ano, si Chase. Say hello ka kay Chase. Ayun. Uy! It's Chase, not Kylie.
You too, Tony, and
Ayan na, Chase. Bulaga! Feeling shy. Pero sabi niya, Chase, lagi daw kayo nag-chat. Sabi niya. Sa group chat. Ikaw pa sabi mo yun. Oh. Ayan. Oo nga pala. Shout out nga pala sa aking pamangkin na si Riley. Happy birthday! Anak ni Tita Molicel at Tito Ryan. Kapatid ni Brian Lee at ni Rian Zilin. Si Riley. Say happy birthday. Galing pala, Auntie Mila, galing pala kayo doon. Saan sa Sa Maimpis kayo galing? Okay, sa Maimpis nga. Nga pala. Happy birthday! Riley Climaco Reyes. More blessings to come. My loves, my baby loves, Riley.
Pack your bags for Tuesday.
Angela, say hello to Chase. Ngayon lang lumabas yung ano. Mahina kasi yung ano yung connection. Nawawala. Daldal ko. Sinusumpong ng kadaldalan. Oh my God. Hindi na lumalabas. Oo nga po, ante nandun kasi, vacation kasi sila dyan sa Pampanga ngayon. Nga pala, birthday ni Riley. Hanggang ano na yan? July, no? Ay, June ang pasokan, no? May. April, May. Hanggang pa. Ay. Hindi ko makita. Nawala yung message. Ayan. 2 weeks din holiday itong mga bata na to eh. Lagi rin kami sa labas. Nakakamiss na sa Pilipinas. Lagi na lang malamig dito. Hindi ako sanay ng patong-patong lagi ang damit. Nakakatamad. Gusto ko burlessless lang. Kainis. mahangin ka na malamig. Mas lalong malamig pag mahangin. Ay.
I started to see signs like not promising. And when me and my friend got like a wow.
Mainit pero malamig. Oh my God. Jacob. Okay, bye. Wala na rin ako makitang ano. Malamig pa din. Malamig pa rin dito, ante. Ingat din kayo palagi dyan. Kahit nga ano pag summer, yung hangin niya talaga malamig. Pero at least pag summer, makakapag ano, sando-sando ka. T-shirt pala. Pero pag ganito ayun, sanayan lang yun, yun nga nakaano, kasi nag-exercise siya. Dapat dito, takbo-takbo para hindi mo nararamdaman yung lamig. Lamigin ako Sa ano pa dito magsa-summer? When is the summer, Jan? August? September? July, August, September pang summer. Spring ngayon Ay. Okay, ingat din kayo dyan, ante. Oh my God. Bye-bye. Bye. Slow connection. Ayaw mapindot yung finish. Takpan ni ko ay slow connection. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo dyan. See you. See you. When I see you again. Bye-bye.